Coming up in Commodore News, we'll take a look at our district-leading swimming team, and we'll have all the scores. If it's Friday, it's time for Commodore News. Welcome to Commodore News. I'm Jordan Sandon. This week, the sports calendar has been interrupted by rain. A lot of rain. But we still have scores to report. In tennis, boys won 9-0, while the girls scored an 8-1 victory over Green Run. In baseball, Patch Grogan had 10 strikeouts, and Graham Thompson went 3 for 4 as Maury defeated Green Run 6-3. In soccer, girls won against Hickory 3-2. With Malia Mariano scoring a goal in the final seconds to secure victory. And in Thursday's soccer action, both the Maury boys and girls scored wins against Kempsville in the Cinco de Maury games. Now here's Manuel Savanon with all the details on coming events.
Thanks, Jordan. Today, the Maury Commodores varsity baseball team will be taking on Green Run at 5 p.m. at the Maury home field, while the varsity softball team will go against Kempsville at their field at 5:30. On Saturday, varsity softball will also be taking on Princess Anne on their field at 1:45. Finally, on Monday, Maury's boys and girls varsity tennis teams will play against Norview at the Maury tennis court at 3:30. Back to you, Jordan.
Maury's swimming team has a long tradition of success that predates VHSL competition. Commodore News correspondent Eliza Madison, a member of the swimming team, has this to report.
Since 1970, Maury has had a swim program, and that swim program predates even state competition. Maury swimming is known for striving for excellence, and this year was no exception. Earlier this year, Coach James Fox hoped that a relay team would qualify for the state meet.
Maybe get a relay in the States.
Coach Jennison has high hopes for next year.
I think we'll be pretty good next year. We are losing some key seniors, but our underclassmen are pretty good, and I think there's a couple freshmen coming in that are going to be pretty good too. So I think we'll do okay.
One thing is for sure. The Commodores will rise early to practice for another successful season next year. For Commodore News, I'm Eliza Madison.
Thanks, Eliza. Now, here's your Commodore Community Calendar for Friday, May 6th. That's all for this broadcast of Commodore News. For Manuel, Eliza, and the entire Commodore News team, I'm Jordan Samuel. Have a nice weekend.